welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a thorough review of the 2025 Triumph Bonneville Bobber. Triumph has been making waves with its modern classic motorcycles, and the Bonneville Bobber is no exception. Let's break down everything from its exterior design to its performance and pricing. Starting with the exterior. The 2025 Bonneville Bobber sticks to its heritage while offering a modern twist. The bike features an iconic minimalist look, with a single, bobbed rear fender and the trademark large front wheel that gives it a custom-built feel. The standout feature has to be the unique 16-inch front and rear wheels wrapped in chunky tires, which give the bike its signature stance. The monochromatic color options, like the jet black or the matte ironstone, give it a sleek, aggressive look, while the chrome accents on the exhaust pipes and mirrors add just the right amount of shine. The overall vibe is clean, muscular, and undeniably cool, with a level of craftsmanship that Triumph is known for. Moving to the interior and cockpit, the 2025 Bobber boasts a vintage-inspired layout with modern-day functionality. The analog speedometer with a digital display is a nod to the past while still providing all the important information, including trip data, fuel range, and riding modes. The new adjustable seat lets you personalize comfort, and it's still low and compact, maintaining that classic Bobber feel. The ergonomics have been improved to ensure a better riding posture, especially for longer trips. So while the bike is styled to look retro, it's very much ready for modern-day use. The fit and finish are top-notch, with every button and switch exuding quality. When it comes to performance, the Bonneville Bobber is powered by a 1,200cc parallel twin engine that delivers 77 horsepower and 78 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is smooth, with plenty of low-end power, making it ideal for city cruising and highway riding. The 6-speed gearbox ensures seamless shifts, and with an upgraded suspension system, the ride is comfortable even on less than ideal road surfaces. The bike is also equipped with rider modes, including rain, road, and sport, giving you a customizable experience depending on the conditions. Braking is provided by dual disc brakes, offering solid stopping power for a bike of this size. As for pricing, the 2025 Bonneville Bobber is positioned as a premium offering. It starts at around $13,000, which is pretty competitive for a bike of this caliber. While it's on the higher end of the spectrum, you're paying for a well-built, stylish, and high-performance motorcycle that can serve as both a daily commuter and a weekend cruiser. To wrap it up, the 2025 Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a perfect blend of classic design and modern performance. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just looking for a stylish ride, this bike definitely has the looks and the chops to deliver. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.